Page 85, Prelude number 1. Really, these preludes are more like exercise things or etude things that otherwise I probably wouldn't even bother to cover them because each one is just one line long, it's just a few measures. But because of the etude character of them, there's things, technical things in here you need to be aware of and be able to do, and I want to talk about those. So on this first one, no sharps or flats except the accidentals. C major. Cut time, but I'm going to talk about it in 4/4 time for now. We'll put it in cut time later. We have triplets, so it's going 1 enda, 2 enda, 3 enda, 4, because I'm giving a quarter note a beat for now. So here, it's here. Watch the fingering. It's 1 enda, 2 enda. You're playing the same notes, an octave apart. And then here, treble clef. Follow their fingering, and then coming down. Again, it's the same notes, just different octaves. And I recommend a 2-3 here. That's basically it. And the idea is put in some articulation. Now these slurs over these curved lines over these triplets, they're not slurs. They look like slurs. They're not ties. They're not phrase markings. This is another thing a curved line can be used for. It's like the fourth thing a curved line can. That's a busy curved line. All it did is part of the indication for the triplet. It has nothing to do with articulation here. So I would just connect all these triplets together. All the way to that staccato. All, is 1. That's staccato, and all of these are staccatos, short staccatos, nice light wrist staccato, and you're crescendoing up to loud. Again, I'd connect all these together. This is a quarter note. You can lift up before you play it, like a slur thing, but then all we got to do is put it back in cut time. It says allegro and cut time, which would be really, really quick. I don't think that's really that necessary. If you're going to do it allegro, leave it in 4/4. If you're going to do it in cut time, we can bring it down to about a moderato. But the idea is feel it in 2. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and. Like so. That's my impression of what they want here. You're starting out moderately loud here. And then now you're loud. My impression is 1, feel it in 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. If you want to speed that up, good luck. But I think that's a bit fast. This really what we're after is this rhythm, the triplet rhythm, the 60. You get the idea.